I might almost be out of tape, so I might not be able to tape this. But, hi! Here we are with another Dutch pour, same colors as the last one, same little blower. And let's get to it. I might be running out of battery or space on my SD card in my phone, so I'll try to use up some of the last of this purple. I found I didn't quite have enough paint on it last time, so I'll try and use more this time. Alrighty, I lost my cloth. Gosh darn it. Obviously not the first time, right? Oh well. Now, I'm wondering, should I just try to blow it without flooding? Let's give it a shot. What the heck, right? It's the worst that could happen. It could not have enough white and it won't move. I guess that's the worst that could happen. But is that really what's happening? Oh, those colors are getting pretty cool. So I don't know if you'd call this a Dutch pour or not. It's kind of cool. I don't know, it might be kind of slow though. My paint is like almost setting up before I actually get to it, to blowing it, right? Because this thing doesn't blow with a lot of power. I wonder if I can... What happens if I do this? That seems to concentrate it more. I've never actually used a blower thing before, so I don't know. I don't know what it's going to do. Yeah, it looks like there might be a few spots where we do need to add a little bit of color. We'll see, though. It's spraying paint up all over me. Okay, so I think I need like a splooge of color right here, but I'm going to torch first because I've got a ton of bubbles. Oh my goodness. This is so much fun. Seriously, guys, if you have not done this yet, you really need to give it a try. If you are sad or depressed or just need an outlet to release some tension, this is fabulous because the way these paints flow together and play with each other, it's kind of magical. And it can be so much fun. Alright, let's get a little bit of color right in here. So let's start with the green. Go in with the blue. And then we'll go in with the darker blue. And then I am going to blow in a little bit. Try to blow over a little bit. And then I'm going to blow right down. And then let's blow it out. That is delightful. Oh my goodness. Well, it's totally not a Dutch pour. It doesn't look anything like a Dutch pour. I don't think I'm getting the paint moving quickly enough to call it a Dutch pour. And I don't know whether or not that's because of the way that the little air blower directs its flow of air, or the strength of the flow of air, or if it's because my paint is too thick, or, you know, who knows? Well, I'm sure somebody knows, but I don't know. I do not know. So what I do know is that I am having a blast with learning how to pour paint. And I hope that you are learning as well, and that possibly some of the things that I have tried have helped, or inspired you to try again, or try something different. Anyway, let's bring you down for a close-up. What do you think? Oh, here, I'm going to see if that helps, turning that light off. I need to get some kind of a cover for that. Anyway, I've still got you on the tripod, so I can't get you too close everywhere, but... Anyway, you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me what you think of the air blower, or maybe what you think of why it doesn't get that Dutch pour. Is it because it's not blowing out enough at a time? It's just blowing in little swirls. Is there any way to get it to stop doing that? I don't know. Anyway, have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And please have a great, great day. Bye.